What is up, my pimpets and the bitches that I don't know yet? If y'all want to know how I got this masterpiece of a look done, watch this tutorial and make a bitch go viral, okay? Get into it. Mwah. What is up, pimpets? So today we're going to be doing our makeup, and I hope you guys are ready. So I was watching this anime called Toriko on Netflix, and it was just this look or this moment where I paused and I was like, wait, this will eat as a makeup look. So I'm going to insert right here the inspiration for today's look. So we're gonna jump into it because baby, we ain't got all day and we are about to eat this motherfucker down. So we're gonna do the eyebrows first, and we're gonna do a little voiceover, okay? Because I don't know what I'm doing, but we gonna get it done. Okay, let's jump into it. All right, pimpets. So we're starting off by putting on our Edam lip gloss because baby, them lips was dry. We're filling in the eyebrows, making sure they look tea. Dang it, and we're carving them out. I went in with the Urban Decay eye primer so that I could put my foundation on. I'm just applying that and smoothing it out so that it gives the shape that I want for when I'm trying to do my eyeshadow. I went in with my Glam Light Black Bratz collection, excuse me, and the purple, and then I went in with this green from this NYX palette that I had got, and then another Bratz palette that I had, and it gave very much yuck. Like, that was so ugly. I even tried to put glitter in to make it pretty, but then I ended up going back in with the NYX palette and putting blue on top of it just to give it like a seafoam green type of effect. And yeah, we did both eyes. I'm doing the waterline with the foundation of each color that I used, from the purple to the bluish green, and then I'm contouring my face. They say to blend upwards when you contour your face, so I wanted to try it that way, and then I used my finger to contour my nose. And this is the Fenty Skin Tint. Baby, when I tell you that, it's my love. And I'm going in with the Fenty Skin Concealer, and this is the Glam Light Bratz Blush collection. As you can see, she's very pigmented, but I do it this way for a reason, because I like to blend the concealer into the blush to lighten it up. And yeah, we blend in all the concealer, get into it, and I'm putting in a lighter concealer by Fenty because I want to do a bright under eye this time, because I usually do like a neutral under eye, but I was like, let me switch it up. And now we're baking. As you can see, I'm putting a baking powder that's from Fenty as well. I'm putting it in all the spots that I put concealer, and then we're going in with the powder blush, because the first blush was the cream blush. Now we're going in with the powder blush of the purple, and then I used the same sponge that I used to blend in the concealer into the blush to just stamp it out and, you know, dilute it so it's popping as it was. And then we put the mascara, the waterline, all that jazz. Get into it, Fenty mascara. And I'm also doing my beauty marks that I like to do over my pimples and just in regular spots. And this is the lip liner. We went in with the Bratz from Glam Light collection lip liner. This is my favorite lip liner. It lasts so long and it looks so cute. That is the Fenty lipstick. And then we went in and put the color purple from our Juvia's Place palette, and boom. Okay, pimpets, so this is the finished look. Get into it. We're going to be putting our grill in and doing the videos and giving face like we always do. But for the sake of me not having the worst lisp in the world, we're not going to have them in right now. But y'all going to see them in when I do my voiceovers, or, you know, my videos that I do. Dang it. But this look is so cute. We did have to do like a bluish seafoam type green because the other green was looking a little shy. I wasn't feeling that, so we had to switch it up a little, but we still tried to keep it a little, you know, close enough. But baby, I need to get me some more vibrant greens because the greens I got clearly ain't doing the job. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, I never gave a fuck. And if you did, leave a like, comment, and a follow, because a bitch trying to blow up. Make me famous, bitch. But no, bye, pimpets. Hope to see you in the next video.